So here's the ANOVA with two temperature sensors replacing the one that's on it to get it to work. It was reading 400 degrees and I tried just one of the two, the shorter one. It was easier to get out, but that didn't do it. So I'm replacing both from a unit I have that short-circuited, blew its fuse. I replaced the fuse, but couldn't get it to work anymore. And this one is a little different than mine as far as the control board. So I'm going with the older one. And so you can take these out, but you've got to take the motor off. And there's another video that describes how to take this all apart. You take the the rotor impeller off, and then this thing comes out, and then you can pull the sensors out. The glue is just water protection. It's not really holding anything. And there's, as you can see, little places at the end where I grabbed with some pliers to start pulling them out. So if you want to take a chance like I did and buy a parts ANOVA to fix the one you have, if it's not reading the right temperature, take a chance on the sensors. That was my problem.